Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off message notifications for one person on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Snapchat and tap on the chat icon in the bottom left of the page. Find the chat with the person who you want to turn off notifications for. Tap on their user icon on the left of the chat. Tap the three dots button in the top right corner. Select Chat Settings from the menu that appears. In the chat settings, turn off the toggle to the right of Message Notifications. It will go from green to grey when it is off. Message notifications are now turned off for that person. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.